Hi, sir. Good evening.
Very good evening, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
I'm doing well, sir. How about you?
Yeah, I'm also doing well, ma'am. Thank you for asking.
Okay. How life is going on? How winter is treating you?
Yeah, ma'am, it's winter season, no? So
Yeah.
cold here and chill weather. Yeah,
Yes. Where do you belong?
yeah. I belong to Karnataka, ma'am.
Okay. Karnataka is weather is same as well, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So first of all, I think we should know each other, and it would be better. So
Yeah,
I'd love to know. Okay, please introduce yourself.
I know well about you, ma'am. I have seen so many of your videos in YouTube channel.
Okay, thank you.
Shall I introduce myself, ma'am?
Yeah. Please, I love to know about you.
My name is Sangappa. I'm connecting you from Bangalore, which is in Karnataka. Actually, I born and raised from a small village. And it comes to my qualification, I have done diploma. And right now, I have been working in government sector for past 15 years. It comes to my hobbies. I love to read newspaper, watch YouTuber conversations, and English story, English contents like motivational speeches mm, and some other English related videos, and I love to read story books and kids books, ma'am. That's all about me, ma'am.
Wow, oh, that's great, sir. Okay,
Thank
should I introduce myself?
Okay, ma'am. Sure.
Okay, my name is Susmita Kaushik. I belong to Assam, currently based in UP. About my qualification, I have done master, and along with I have done PGDC as a computer course also. I'm a married person, mother of one kid. Simultaneously, I run YouTube channel. The name is Global English Quest. That's all about me, sir.
Yeah, great, ma'am. Great. Are you working somewhere, ma'am?
No, I don't. No, I'm not working anywhere. I don't do. Just I run YouTube channel and I'm raising my kid. He is quite young, around 4 years. So yes, that is thing I'm doing.
I mean, why ask means morning time I drop message you give time me for at 4 o'clock. So
Uh,
I thought that you are working in teaching field. So after completing your schooling time, you may
okay,
I thought like that.
no, not like that because my son's summer winter vacation is going on. So
Hmm.
one of this region and another reason is I'm little under the weather today. So that is
While having conversations, they are crying and screaming, and
yes, that is
rapping sound. That time is uncomfortable.
yeah, it's not comfortable. It's quite difficult to understand, and another person also feel uncomfortable to
Hmm.
have conversation. Yeah,
Yeah.
that is why. Yeah, otherwise I used to take conversation when he goes to school around 11 to 1 o'clock. Now he is at home, so when he sleeps, then only I can have conversation. Otherwise, it's quite difficult.
How is your word, ma'am?
He is around 4. Now he is about to complete 4 years.
Okay.
So now it's not your working time,
No,
isn't it?
it's today is my week up. Today I'm in my home. No, we have to work. Tuesday to Saturday. Tuesday to Sunday I have to work. So every day, every day one person will get to weekly up. So today is my week up. So
Okay, today. Okay, Monday you get a holiday.
yes,
Every
yes,
Monday do you get, right?
yes. Every day Monday is weekly up for me.
Okay. And how do you take out time for have conversation with people? I think now I'm thinking that I have heard or I have listened you somewhere. I have watched a video with the another YouTuber. I think
Yeah,
you are taking session, right?
no, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am. I also running YouTube channel and uploading.
Okay, wow.
Uh, once around 2 to 3 videos once in a week. So I
Uh-huh.
upload around 30, 39 videos, and
Mm.
you maybe seen my videos. Yeah, Monday is my week off. This day only, I will take some other sessions around 2 to 3 videos, and apart from that, other day I take only audio call only, ma'am. I speak with audio
Okay.
call.
Anyhow, you are touching this language, and you are mentioning this. You are love to read books as well.
Yes, ma'am.
Really, really. That is
Oh,
the good thing to learn.
You know,
Hmm.
I don't have any other intention from the YouTube channel to earn money and all. So just for practicing purpose, I want, when I was in my childhood time, I had a passion to this language. That time I didn't learn because well about earlier time we didn't have this much of privileges for learning this.
Really,
Nowadays,
obviously.
privileges we have to grab that opportunity for learning. So now utilizing that time, because nowadays we have a lot of AI tools and applications are available, partners are available for practicing. So I am utilizing that time and with applications. uh, my passion it was earlier time, but nowadays I am touching with that.
Really commendable. And now your fluency is quite amazing. So how do you practice apart from to have conversation? What do you which kind of exercise do you do?
Thank you, ma'am. Actually, ma'am, I have started my journey for past 4 months. Actually,
Okay.
every day I speak, or at least try to speak consistently with video call. But sometimes video call is not available because I'm working in
Yeah.
government sector.
Yes.
So every day at the evening time around that, every evening after 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, I make some audio calls. I connecting with the people for fluency purpose and learning purpose. And Monday at least 2 to 3 video conversations I will take. And apart from that, I read most of the time. I read story books because we can easily understand the story books and kids books.
Uh,
After that,
yes.
YouTuber channel, YouTuber conversations. I have also seen your so many videos, and
Okay.
you have made so many conversations you had with people. I continuously watch. Listening is really important here. By listening more and more, we can grab some new vocabs, and we can understand the accent, and we can know about the grammatical tips. The people are using different kind of accent they are using, vocabs are using, and good speakers are available nowadays. So I use that. Yeah.
Yes, yes. There are lots of, podcasts are available on YouTube. I also love to watch this kind of people like Priyanka Chopra,
Yeah, Sudha Murthy, motivation switches,
Ramurthy ma'am. Yes, yes, yes.
and some other.
Palki Sharma also I love to watch or I love to listen Palki Sharma news sometime or podcast especially.
Ma'am, Sudha Murthy using simple words and simple C speaking, we can easily understand. And Sadhguru Swami also speaking
Ah,
really
yes, yes.
kind of good speakers, postcard and motivational speeches by watching, so we can easily learn this language.
Obviously. And if you listen the this kind of spiritual person, then we also feel so rejuvenate and calm, composed after listening. We feel really relaxed. So
Yes.
I also love to watch or listen this kind of videos.
Mm,
Yes.
yeah.
Sudhamurthy ma'am also use so simple vocab or sentence, even books also, right? I also read lots of book of Sudhamurthy ma'am, and it's quite amazing. It's so simple and very attractive. Every book.
Yes, 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 ma'am.
Really?
But ma'am, actually, exactly, to be honest, I don't have time to read that much only. At the
Uh,
same time, getting time, that time only I watch, I read only story books. But Sudha Murthy's videos only I'm watching.
okay.
Because
Yeah,
the
but
Sudha
I also found, I also found lots of books are kids story videos of Sudhamurthy ma'am itself. So
Mhm.
if you are very interested to read, then I think you can try once and two books.
Yeah, sure, I'll try.
Yes.
Yeah, ma'am, while speaking her, she motivating with the people, and she saying some as well. By saying story only, she is motivating to the students and people and to the society. People can easily understand, and people can also, they can change their life. So many people have changed their life. Yeah.
Obviously, really, really, they have, they motivates us to do better, especially who are procrastinate people, right? I also used to do lots of procrastinate, like I will do later, I will not do now. Now, after listening, great people speech, I now my mindset or thinking process also gradually changing. So I also keep watching this kind of videos. I'm getting lots of benefit from them. Really, I love.
I too, ma'am. I too, ma'am. Actually, ma'am, consistency is really important here. By watching
Very
those
important.
good speakers videos, by watching, we can easily change ourselves also. So, by speaking and listening, and sometimes if we have a time to write something, so we can gradually elevate our communication skill. We can also become a good speaker in future. But we have to work hard. We have to put our effort 100%.
100% we have to put our effort. Really, it's required. Not only about this language, but also, we should have some knowledge to express, right? So if you are going to communicate with people, then which kind of speech you have to, do, it's also matter a lot. So while listening, while observing them, we know lots of things: how to connect with people, how to talk with people, what to discuss, what to not. Gradually, we can learn,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, by watching those kind of videos only, we can also express our thoughts in front of the people. So
People.
is always, ma'am, she is expressing their experience, what she had faced in her earlier time and childhood
Oh,
time, was in college time. So that
yes,
kind of
yes.
situation they are, she is expressing in front of the people. So then people can also understand easily. So they
Understanding.
can themselves.
Obviously, yeah. There is a very short time I think we have. I think now Indians people have only 70 or 65 years. So we can't learn each and everything by our mistakes only. Sometimes we have to listen others. Sometimes we should learn by their experience also. Right? So that's how we can learn lots of things from people.
Mm,
Yes, really, I agree.
yeah. Nowadays most of the people are they are dying around 60, 65. So we
Obviously.
shouldn't wait for our mistakes. We have to learn from other mistakes also. Then
Others mistake as well. Yes,
yeah,
obviously.
yeah,
Yeah, no one perfect. No one is perfect, right? Everyone make mistakes, so definitely we should learn something from others as well.
yeah, by mistakes, making mistakes only we can learn. So without making mistakes, how can we learn this language? Or if we want to if we have a desired goal, so we have to work that we are making many mistakes, then only we can accomplish our.
Yes, yes. I think one of Sudhamurthy's book I have read one line. Someone asking to the APJ Abdul Kalam that you are now successful person. So how did you get success? So he was saying that I made 99 mistakes, then only I got success. Because how is it? Someone asked, how is it? Because this 99 mistake taught me how to do, how to not to do, right? Then 100 numbers work, it's got succeed. So
Yeah.
this kind of it's happened. One people doesn't get success suddenly or immediately. So they have lost their experience, they fail, they get up again, they work again, then only they get success,
Yes,
right?
yes.
So similarly it's happened.
Yeah.
But we feel afraid about to make mistake. We try to be a perfect in a once, so that is not possible.
Yes, yes, absolutely. You are right, ma'am. We are making more mistakes. He has a more knowledge. Who has got directly, he is achieving his goal. He don't have that much of, experience about that. You because he haven't any that kind of experiences. We are getting again and fail. They have a lot of experience about again because they are making mistakes more and more. So they are having a more knowledge about that. So, ma'am, according to my opinion, in the school and colleges, at the childhood time, they are getting more times they are in the middle class or in the last bencher. They are becoming a good speaker and they will be in the good position because they having in the at the earlier days they have faced a lot of problems. So in future they are like you mentioned that Abdul Kalam, he was a last bencher, but nowadays he's the first president of our India. He's the
He
first president.
observed, he
Yeah.
observed everything he observed. He about the negative and positive as well,
Mhm.
right? So experiences matter a lot. then
Yeah.
knowledge, right?
Yes, yes.
The knowledge come after experience. If you experience, do again task, you get from one task, you will get the experience from there. Then it's the experience increases your knowledge.
Yes, yes,
So
yes.
that is the life. I also feel the same. And since then, my thinking process has little changed. No, we should not affair about the making mistake. We should do. We should go with the flow. Let's see what happen.
Yes, 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 yes.
Yes.
You know, yeah, really confidence is important. If you want to achieve something, so we are, fearing and hesitating means we cannot achieve anything. So by making mistakes, consistently putting effort 100%, we can achieve definitely. So we shouldn't, bother about our mistakes.
Yeah, definitely. We should do, we should be continue and we should carry on whatever we are doing without thinking, we should not think about our whatever we are doing, we should not think negative. We should be a positive and we should go with the flow.
Yes, yes, yes.
Right.
Yeah, ma'am, one more thing, many people initially they have more interest to do for learning this language, or if they want to achieve something, initially they have more interest. After 1 month or 2 months, they are losing their confidence because they want to instant result, but we cannot get a instant result. So it takes a lot of time. It's not a cup of tea we can drink easily within.
Really, really.
Yeah, so to be patient on that particular part, then only we can accomplish our goal.
Obviously, then only we will get achieved. Really, it's a long time journey. I also used to think that now I have completed my 1 year, and I used to think that if I spend my 6 months or 1 year, then I will be a pro. But not like this. Now I am getting know that I am now whatever I have learned, that is the only 2 or 3% I have learned so far about this English. Whenever you read book, whenever you listen advanced people, then you do not understand each and every word whatever they are using, right?
Yes,
I have to sit with the pen and copy. I have to jot down whatever they have speak, whatever they use the new vocab. Then I find this kind of what is the meaning of this. Then only we can go with the process. It's a long time, really. I think it's required to me, especially 2 year or 1.5 year minimum. It's required to
yes.
understand each and everything. It's a long journey, really.
Yeah, yeah, exactly, ma'am. Exactly, you are true. Ma'am, I also doing the same thing whenever the using different kind of vocabs, we are not understanding. That time again, I go to translate or chat GPT. We are using, then we understand that these people are speaking about this. So then we have to speak in that vocabs in the other conversations. So then by making this kind of process, we can learn.
We can learn, really. We should imitate. We should
Yes.
imitate by listening other, really. Sometimes we get new vocab on book. Sometimes we get from the people. That's how we can learn while listening. That's the reason to listen, right?
Yes, yes,
To
yes.
learn something from people. Yes.
It's more, we have to work more, we have to put effort 100%, then only we can achieve this
Yes.
our goal.
Obviously, really. Then only we will achieve.
Yeah.
Okay, I think we have completed 20 minutes. Not thinking that we have completed 20 minutes.
Okay,
I really enjoy a lot talking to you.
so likewise, ma'am, I also enjoy light, we are always enjoying with this, so we are forgetting about time, the part time, always
Really,
it is doing his work.
really, really. It was really amazing. I love to have conversation with you again. If you
Yeah,
have time, then please let me know. We can connect. I think you only take conversation on Sunday, right? Monday.
Monday, other day also take at evening time, ma'am, around
Oh,
1 o'clock, 8 o'clock, I will take it, ma'am.
okay, okay. I think Monday is the convenient for both of us. So,
Yes, yes.
okay, then have a good day. It was really an amazing conversation with you.
Yeah, thank you, likewise. Bye,
Bye.
ma'am.
Bye.